And I'm the God of impossible. I'm the only one true living God. Do you not know what I'm capable of? You know. You know. Stop acting like, oh, this can't be real. It's real. It's real. It's real. It's real. It's real. You were built for this. You were built for this. You were created for this. I volunteered you for this because I knew that you could handle the pressure. I knew you could handle the challenges. I knew that it would birth out of you the things that I put in you. I knew it. And now you know it. It seems unreal because it's something they've never seen before. It's something you've never seen before. It's premiere season. You are the premiere. You are what the world is waiting on. You, my child. Don't try to prove yourself. Just be you. Don't try to answer all their questions. Just be you. If they were meant to understand it, they would be in the meetings that you were in. They would sacrifice what you sacrificed. They would rose to the challenges that you rose to, but they didn't. Stay in alignment and in the flow with me. It's you. It is you. Go look in the mirror and say, it's me. It's me, God. It's me. It's time and you are ready. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. All of heaven is cheering for you. For you. Congratulations, my child. My beautiful, unique child.